Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is my 1981 Supra. Well, I'm Devante and I have been slowly trying to bring back this Supra. I've been trying to revive this Supra, basically. This isn't a showroom build, it's a real one. We've had misfire issues, wiring issues, bad coils, and we've been able to fix that all. Well, if you've been following us, we're able to get our hands on this very clean stainless TR3 wheels. I mean, you can tell they look good on this build. This channel is for everyone who loves seeing progress, every build, every modification, every challenge. I'm documenting it all right here. So if you're into old school JDM and watching a classic come back to life, hit that subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and welcome to Devante's 81 Supra Cryo Farm.